Hello friends, today I am going to make it one poster. My name is Jatin and we are going to make it one poster regarding usage of plastic. As we all know that nowadays lot of plastics have been used and lot of impact on our world is coming and our world is going very worst and worst because of usage of plastic. Now I'm going to make it one drawing or one poster for you. Please take it your marker or your pencil and your colors. Now I'm going to start one plastic bag. A one plastic bag and its two handle, one world inside which has been hesitating, which has been trying to come out, but there is a no source to coming out. Few buildings, whole buildings of the world are going to use that plastic. Even also a plastic factory which also pollutes our air. And a plastic bag is smiling on the earth, a big smile, because whole world is been now covered with plastic. So I am going to show like this. Now I want to show few remedies how to come out from all these things. So I am going to make it few partitions for showing its remedies. Now if you want to show some buildings doors, you can make it as much as detailing you want to make it, you can make it by your own self. Whenever you're going to make it a poster, you have to make it your detailing work sharp, so it will be a more creative work that shows in your poster. Now I'm going to make it few bottles, plastic bottles, few glass, and few food wrappers where people are going to throw. They are throwing at each and every places. This should be not done. So I am going to make it this as a cross. Here it is a wrong thing. We should take care about this. Plastic bottles, disposals and a wrapper, food wrapper should not be thrown on the ground. Now a few things should be taken into consideration, like reduce, recycle and reuse. You need to take care about that. here one channel where you can use it reduce. We can make it plastic usage reduce, even reuse and recycle. So even also government also takes some norms for this. You need to take care about, we also need to take care about this, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Even also one dustbin. Dustbin is also taking important part in this reduce, reuse and recycle, but it is unhappy. He is sad because no one is using it and throwing outside, as I am showing in my poster. Now you can use few recycled bags, like you can use it jute bag, you can use it cotton bags, even also you can use it more and more times. So here I am going to make it a jute bag. A jute bag which is very good to use it and even also to decompose. Now I am going to use it. Now I am going to make it one more. Lot of peoples are doing lot of different kind of mischiefs. I feel that we need to stop all these things. Like I am showing one drawing which shows one man standing on a pool. I'm going to show one man. I'm not going to show you features. He is throwing a small plastic bag. Here a pillars of a pool lying in a water, and one fish is going to having it as a food. So what happens if marine fish or marine things have been disturbed? So this should be not done. We need to take care about that. Plastic should be kept in the bin. We cannot throw as like this. So this is a nonsense thing that we are doing lot of times. This we have to take care about this, so our world can come out with a fresh air and it can come out from this bag. Now I am going to fill color inside. Take it sky blue color, fill it inside light, cover it even in water too, even in sky area. slowly. Now I want to show reduce, recycle, reuse wala portion with a light green color. Use it light color. If you are going to use it dark, please do it properly. Now I am going to make it a jute bag with an orange color. Which is very good for recycle and decompose. And a table where a jute bag is put on it, and yellow color for showing the backdrop. Here I want to show our plastic bag with a yellow color, which is very much happy by covering whole world inside. Cover it with whole portions politely and slowly, so color may go outside. Here plastic bag which has been highlighted here. Now a waltz, few scalps showing a water, and light green on a ground, and few buildings at a different color motions. And few black clouds where plastic is been made, or polymer factories where it has been located in the world. It should be located at a free distance far away from our social houses, so we cannot turn our area into a polluted area. Few sky blue color for showing the disposal as a transparency. If you want to make it not cross like this, also you can make it cross. You can also continue with a cross like this, which should be specifying more like a cross. Here also I should give a mark there. This is also wrong thing that people do. This is a right thing that you have to do. Again, usage of dustbin should be there. Even also reduce, recycle and reuse should be there.